So let me tell you what we got going on this morning. Hopefully you can even hear me. But it's about 9 o'clock almost, and we are going to the beach today. But I have to get everything ready. Noah and Dylan are asleep. And so right now I am making some chicken nuggets. That way Noah has something to eat at the beach that's an actual meal that he'll eat. And then I'm gonna make me and Dylan up something to eat. I take warm food to the beach because if you just put it in a container and leave it outside of your bag, they'll stay warm, and so it actually works out. Seeing how we're not at the beach all day because we are locals. And so I'm gonna pack everything. All right, guys, so I went ahead and packed everything for the beach. All of our food is in here, beach toys, and then all of our essentials like beach pillow, sunblock, and everything is under there. And then in a separate bag, in one of my produce bags, I just went ahead and packed all the waters and water inserts. All right, so now what I'm doing is I have to pack Noah. Let's see if I can set you guys up. All right. The only thing I have left to do is pack Noah's clothes. A little fun tip, what I like to do is after kids rinse off at the beach in the showers, I like to go ahead and change them in the bathrooms before they hop in the car, because it saves them from being sandy, and then if they fall asleep in the car, you can just kind of transport them into the house and let them nap. They're not in wet, stale clothes. So that's what I'm doing now. Made it to the beach. I made sure to put sunblock on my only sunburnt spot from last time. Noah, you having fun? Yeah, you building a sandcastle?
I'm gonna build a snowman.
A snowman?
Out of sand?
All right, man. I guess that's the Floridian way to do it.
Hello.
I love you.
Love you.
Gonna get my tan on.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story.
Okay, move the bucket, babies. I'm trying to jump over it. All right, Noah, go. Good job. Do it one more time since Mr. Dylan was in the way of the camera.
Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
All right, go.
Get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun
Woo!
and let it light. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight. Got a restless